Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magra-resonate for you. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo palm reading sa akin, mag-avail ka lang ng mga crystals bracelet na binibenta ko doon sa aking TikTok shop. And meron ka ng palm reading mula sa akin. For example, yung itong white jade. Yan, this crystal, this is for 777. And meron na siyang free palm reading na kasama. Okay, let's start your reading. What do we have here for Earth sign? Spirit guides, angel guides for Earth sign, please. For Earth sign. Wala shuffle. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko yung kinuha guys, masyadong marami lumabas. Earth sign, 4 of Cups. Okay. 2 of Cups. The Star. 2 of Wands. Okay. Nakakita ko ng maraming gastos. Like, napakabilis ng paglabas ng finances sa'yo. And some of you are feeling bored. Kaya mo nagagawa yon. And, or you are uninspired. You feel like you're uninspired. Kasi parang, kung ano man yung mga gusto mong mangyari, hindi mo magawa or hindi mangyari because kulang ka ng inspirasyon. And you feel like kailangan mo ng inspirasyon para maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo or yung mga gusto mo. 2 of Cups is here. If you are in a relationship, nakikita natin there's a lot of respect, no, mula sa taong ito. And mula din sa'yo. So, I can see a lot of love here. If you are currently single, well, I can see friends na may emotions. So, someone here is hiding his or her feelings towards you. And maybe may mga bagay na pinagsisisihan. Anyway, I can see a lot of gastos here, but tell me more about the 2 of Wands. For the 2 of Wands, please. 3 of Swords. The Fool. Clarify the Fool, please. King of Cups is here. There's 2 kinds of gastos nakikita natin. Alin ka man dito ha, hindi ko sinabing, or pwedeng both, ito meron, nangyayari. Kasi one of you is gastos because of, pwedeng may kinalaman sa sakit. Yung iba, pwedeng may kinalaman sa, be careful. Kasi pwedeng mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. So, if you think na gumagastos ka tas wala namang kwenta yung bagay na pinaghagastosan mo, kailangan maglaylo. For some of you, maybe may kinalaman sa new beginning. So, maybe may paggastos na may kinalaman sa you na pwede gusto mong mas ma-inspire. I don't know. It feels like pwedeng may kinalaman sa profession, something new, may kinalaman sa career mo, new ideas, and pwedeng gastos na may kinalaman sa investment. Tell me about this. Tell me about this, please, for Earth sign. Knight of Wands. Yeah, you are a risk taker. You are a risk taker. Queen of Wands. This is, pag regarding sa business, I can see na you want to take a risk regarding something. Ayan. Yung mga gastos na may kinalaman sa negosyo, what will be the outcome here? You do have here the Ace of Coins. Yeah, this is financial opportunity, prosperity, manifesting money. Yeah, there's definitely bunga na kalalabasan. Might be hindi man ngayon kasi mas nararamdaman mo ngayon is parang paubos yung pera ko. Parang nawawala itong mga ginagastos ko. But in the future, there's a lot of money coming here for you. Yung gastos is maybe pansamantala lang, hindi siya pansamantagal. Pansamantagal in a way na pwedeng magko-continuous kasi investment, tuloy-tuloy ang investment. Pero mas malaki yung magiging balik niya in the future for you. Okay? Wag mo na lang ulitin yung mga bagay na inulit or mga ginawa mo before. You will be happy in the near future dahil dito sa pinagkakagastusan mo na ito na may kinalaman sa pera. So, kung yun yung pinagkakagastusan mo, Two of Coins is here. Yeah, you have your priorities, finding balance, managing resources. So, yeah, Four of Coins is here. There's security. May nakikita tayong security in the near future sa'yo. So, kung gumagastos ka dahil alam mong may pera ka at may kikitain ka, go for it. Okay? Kung may kikitain ka doon sa pera mo na yun. And if you're being materialistic, wala ka na makikitain doon sa bagay na yon. You need to find your balance. Kailangan mo kung gusto mo man yung bagay na yon, tignan mo muna kung pantay rin ba yung mga bagay na pangangailangan mo ba, kung naibibigay ba yon or ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, kailangan balance lang. So, anyway, let's move on. Any messages pagdating sa love for Earth sign? Pagdating sa love for Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. The World is here. Okay. Okay, and the Nine of Wands. Page of Swords. May mga nakikita tayong mga nagkakagusto sa'yo pero hindi sila qualified. Alam mo yun? If you're single, might be may mga nagkakagusto sa'yo pero hindi mo sila trip or hindi mo sila gusto or hindi mo sila ka-level. So, yung mga ganun. And, yeah, maybe there's a friend who is just a friend for you. So, parang friend zone. Or hindi mo talaga feel. Ganun. And I can see for some of you, pagdating sa love, someone here is hindi nagiging honest sa kanyang emotions, sa kanyang intention. Yan, maybe that is a friend. And, kasi wala siyang chance or feeling niya wala siyang chance sa'yo. Or wala kayong chance sa isa't isa. This person, something, I can see a completion here with the World. So, may completion. Tell me about this with the World. You do have here the King of Coins. And the Six of Wands in reverse. Whatever happened in the past sa'yo, if you are, May mga hindi magagandang karanasan. May mga hindi magandang paningin ng ibang tao sa'yo in the past. They see you as someone na parang kawala-walang respeto. Mababa ang tingin nila sa'yo in the past. Nabago na yun. There's this end of the cycle here. There's this completion. Tapos na yung istorya mo tungkol doon sa hindi magaganda sa nakaraan. And maybe, kung ito ay tungkol sa love, whatever happened in the past, nag-end na yon. Okay? There's a completion there. And you do have the Knight of Cups. So, or maaaring nawala na or natapos na yung pagkagusto mo sa isang tao. Pwedeng ganun. What will happen in the near future for you? Earth sign. In the near future for Earth sign, please. The near future for Earth sign. 5 of Swords is in reverse. 8 of Wands. Okay. 7 of Swords. There's a very slow night in the near future. May paparating sa'yo. It's a very slow night. It's a person na napakatagal gumawa ng movement. And this person wants a fresh start with you. I can see new beginning sa inyong dalawa. I can see new communication sa inyong... And this will be fast. Masyado siya naging matagal sa mga movement niya, but in the near future, magiging mabilis siya sa'yo. Like, pag nag-message siya sa'yo, this message will be complete. Walang halong whatever, you know. Itong person nito will try na subukan ulit. Pero this time around, magiging mas mabilis siya. Unlike in the past na naging mabagal siya. I feel like itong person na to is willing gumastos kahit hindi siya sigurado sa kakalabasan ng inyong connection because this person gusto niya mag-take ng risk at mag-take ng chance sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.